Hello guys, slightly different video today. My name's Dylan and I'm going to be showing you our website, Top Dog Tutoring, because if you and your child love our YouTube channel, then you will be absolutely obsessed with what we've built. And there's loads of free lessons you can actually access just by making an account. So let me show you. This is what our website looks like. So once you log in and create an account, you will immediately get access to some lessons like I mentioned before, but this is the dashboard that you'll be at. We obviously run mock tests. We book live tutoring sessions as well, qualified primary school teachers. By the way, September, you get a whole week for free. That's 2 sessions if you just want to come and try. So you can get in touch with us and book that for your child now or do it via the website as well. But I want to show you our preparation resources because if you're here because you love watching our YouTube channel and our YouTube videos, we have made hundreds and hundreds of them on our website. So just select whichever year group your child is in and wants to prep for. We've got lessons for year 4, 5, and 6. Let's just go for year 5, 11 plus resources. And you can see here straight away, you've got this week, terms, and summer club. With this week, you will get to see exactly what your child should be learning that week in a learning journey across the year. Or you can just go to terms and get them all up straight away. And if I just scroll down here, look, we've got English, verbal reasoning, maths, non-verbal reasoning. I'm going to keep scrolling. Load 167 more. There are hundreds of them. So what happens when you click in? Let's just say you wanted to do some compound words for your verbal reasoning. This is autumn week 1. So if you're in year 5 and your child is prepping for that 11 plus, this would be their first week. You can see every week there are 4 lessons. Let's just click into verbal reasoning here. And if you scroll down, a full lesson video right there. This is a 9-minute 35-second video. It's Hayden. He's chatting away there. Let me just mute him. And again, if you move up, it is a full explanation, a full lesson video for your child to have a go at. Very similar to what we've got on YouTube, but very, very precise, all in one place. And it comes with that learning journey that we spoke about earlier. We're incredibly proud of this because not only do you get these video lessons that are really, really precise and obviously done by Hayden and I, who you've seen our YouTube video, we do know what we're talking about. If you scroll down, you get homework as well. We have written these ourselves. So I'm going to show you. This is what the homework for this task would look like. You get all of these questions to consolidate what your child has learned in that lesson. And not only that, you'll get an answer sheet as well. You can see here, homework answers. But here's what I think is really powerful. Another video. Look here, watch walkthrough. We have recorded a walkthrough of every single question in the homework. So let's just scoot it along here and you can see, look, Hayden's written down actor. He's talking, he's annotating as he goes. He's filling it out, underlining things, and you get a full walkthrough of every single question as well. That's just one lesson. Each year has so many. You saw a minute ago, over 180 lessons per year group, 4 a week for you to work through with your child at home. And it's been designed by us. This took a long time, but hopefully you can see if you love our YouTube channel, your child and you will absolutely love what we've created here, these preparation resources. So why am I telling you this? It's quite simple, okay? We've built our YouTube channel up. There's tens of thousands of you who watch these videos. We wanted to do something more comprehensive with more of a structure for weekly practice leading up to the real thing. So if your child's in year 4, 5, or 6, go down to the comments down below. I'll pin a comment with a link. I'll put it in the description to this channel and we'll give you a discount code for the entire year. And if you want to try it out, like I said, just creating an account on our website means you can go to that dashboard that I spoke about a minute ago. I'll show you one more time. It looks like this, my prep resources, and you'll have a few lessons literally unlocked immediately just for you to have a look at. So there's absolutely nothing you need to put down. Like I said, use that discount code that we will send you. And guys, I am saying this because I want to help as many people as possible. This YouTube channel will stay completely free forever. We'll keep putting videos out on here as well. In the next couple of weeks, we'll put some of these full lesson videos on here for you to see for yourself. Okay, so keep your eyes peeled, subscribe to this channel for more, and check out our website because it helps us as well. We've put so much time into it, and we really truly think it's going to help loads of families preparing for that 11 plus. So be sure to subscribe. There's more videos coming your way, but I just wanted to show you what we've built here because I think it'll be really useful if your child is starting year 4, 5, or 6 in September next year. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you next time for another video.